Are you planning to study in Germany? Before you pack your bags, let's talk about the most important thing: documents. To study in Germany, you need to prepare several important documents. Let's go step by step. Make sure your passport is valid for your entire stay in Germany. Your official admission letter Zulassungsbescheid is the key to your visa application. You need your 10th, 12th, and degree transcripts, translated if necessary. For English courses, IELTS or TOEFL. For German courses, TEST, DAF or DISHI. You need at least €11,208 in a German blocked account to prove financial stability. Once you have all documents, apply for your German student visa at your nearest embassy. First, start your application early to avoid last-minute stress. Second, double-check document translations and notarizations. Third, join university forums for latest updates. And that's it. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more student tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.